Superfold Mono is designed for a medium-sized family and is one of our largest bottom frame clotheslines in our range. 10 lines and 21 metres of line space makes it ideal for the family wash. For your convenience and to free up lawn or courtyard space, the complete frame of the Superfold Mono folds away. All Superfold clotheslines can be mounted to a wall or fence, but you may wish to purchase an adjustable post kit that will allow your Superfold to be mounted on adjustable posts anywhere in your garden. Each adjustable post kit is powder coated to match the colour of your clothesline. If required, the ground mount posts can be removed. The Superfold series also has a simple tensioning system which allows unloaded lines to stay parallel and tight. All Superfold clotheslines are designed with graduated line spacing for the optimum balance of drying efficiency and capacity. The Hills Superfold clothesline comes complete with some assembly requirement. And of course, all of Hills clotheslines are backed up by the Hills 10-year peace of mind guarantee. The Superfold Duo comes in 2 garden-friendly colours, Pebble Beach and Midnight Sky, to fit the decor of any backyard.